Range. Noun. A line or series of mountains, buildings, etc. Range. Noun. A fireplace, a fire or other cooking apparatus, now specifically, a large cooking stove with many hotplates. Range. Noun. Selection, array. Range. Noun. An area for practicing shooting at targets. Range. Noun. An area for military training or equipment testing. Range. Noun. The distance from a person or sensor to an object, target, emanation, or event. We could see the ship at a range of 5 miles. One can use the speed of sound to estimate the range of a lightning flash. Range. Noun. Maximum distance of capability of a weapon, radio, detector, fuel supply, etc. This missile's range is 500 kilometers. Range. Noun. An area of open, often unfenced, grazing land. Range. Noun. Extent or space taken in by anything excursive, compass or extent of excursion, reach, scope. Range. Noun. An aggregate of individuals in one rank or degree, an order, a class. Range. Noun. A wandering or roving, a going to and fro, an excursion, a ramble, an expedition. Range. Noun. The scope of something, the extent which something covers or includes. Range. Noun. The variety of roles that an actor can play in a satisfactory way. By playing in comedies as well as in dramas he has proved his range as an actor. By playing in comedies as well as in dramas he has proved his acting range. Range. Verb. To travel over an area, etc., to roam, wander. Range. Verb. To rove over or through. To range the fields. Range. Verb. To bring something into a specified position or relationship, especially of opposition with something else. Range. Verb. To classify. To range plants and animals in genera and species. Range. Verb. To form a line or a row. The front of a house ranges with the street. Range. Verb. To be placed in order, to be ranked, to admit of arrangement or classification, to rank. Range. Verb. To set in a row, or in rows, to place in a regular line or lines, or in ranks, to dispose in the proper order. Range. Verb. To place among others in a line, row, or order, as in the ranks of an army, usually, reflexively and figuratively, to espouse a cause, to join a party, etc. Range. Verb. To separate into parts, to sift. Range. Verb. To sail or pass in a direction parallel to or near. To range the coast. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.